Hi, my name is William Alexander Castellano Santana.
And I am Miguel Ángel Gómez Olorio. We are students in the 7th semester of the Mechatronics Engineer in the Instituto Tecnológico of La Piedad.
In this video, we will talk about the robotic arm CRS Catalyst 5 of the Thermo brand. We talk about its specifications and its operation.
Also, we will see how to create our own sequences to be able to use the robot without complications and make the movements we want.
This specific robot model has 5 degrees of freedom, a nominal load of 1 kg maximum, and a range of 660 millimeters.
Now, this component that we can see on the screen is the robot's controller, which is basically its brain. It is in the charge of storing, processing, and running the programs, in addition to managing the power stage and reading the encoders.
On the other hand, here we have the umbilical cable through which the controller communicates with the robot. The one with gray color is in charge of the power stage, that is to energize the arm. And the one in black is in charge of the feedback, that is in charge of reading the encoders, with our sensors that indicate the position of the arm, and thus the program knows and what coordinates our position is.
On the front of the controller we also find 2 connection ports. The first is to connect our touch pedal, and the second is a female RS-32 port, which is connected to the console, or in this case we have it connected to our computer. It is important to always make sure that they are well connected and subject to the controller in order to avoid accidents.
Each one of the semiconductors that make up the robotic arm is fed with 35 volts DC and a maximum current of 2 amps, which is supplied with the power stage coming from the controller, and likewise the encoders fight back the stage, controlled with a voltage of 12 volts.
The arm in turn has 2 umbilical cables, the first gray in the charge of supplying the 35 volts, and it is 2 amps, and the second is the feedback of the encoders, which sends that signal to the control cabinet.
Now we have the touch pedal, which is the communication interface to user with the robot. Through this you can manipulate the robot, such as modifying the variables that make up the program.
This is the Robocom 3 program, with which we can create our programs and applications, when we can then send to the robot's console.
The language used by this program is in C, and we can use many variables types such as int, float, string, clock, and plug, respectively. In addition to that, we have float controls such as break, loop, case, while, for, do, if, and goto.
And this will be the most relevant to know and handle to start using the robot arm CRS Catalyst 5 from the Thermo brand.